Let me share one of the most powerful techniques you can use to access more clarity, more focus, and more presence in all of your life. It's called single point focus, and it's actually very simple. It's when you bring all of your attention, all of your presence, and all of your focus to the one thing in front of you. No background noise, no extra loops, no divided attention, just one point focus. And when that happens, something shifts. You're able to use your full capacity, all of your attention, all of that focus goes right into whatever you're doing. Your thinking becomes clearer, your decisions become faster. You start pulling from a deeper level of inner intuition because nothing else is competing for your attention. The reason most people don't experience this is because their mind is constantly running. Loops, distractions, worry, self-judgment, even things from the past that haven't been processed. All of that takes up space. And the more space it takes, the less present you actually are. So here's how you begin to shift that through practices like breathwork and meditation, or some of my favorites, the cat and the mouse method and the replacement loop. You begin to clear that mental noise. You close those open loops. And as that noise clears, you naturally move closer to single point focus. And when you're in it, it feels different. There's an ease to it. Things feel smooth, clear, and fully connected to what's in front of you. Your performance improves, your awareness deepens, and what you're actually here for in the present and the now. This is also where you start to touch something deeper. There's a concept in Buddhism called no mind. It doesn't mean your mind is turned off. It means there's no unnecessary thoughts in the way. It's a state where you're fully aware, where you're not thinking about anything extra. This is going to sound weird, but it's everything and nothing all at the same time. You're just here, fully present. Begin to notice small amounts of this when you give yourself space without filling every moment. Those beautiful little gaps where everything becomes quiet, clear, and present. The more you practice single point focus, the more often you begin to experience those moments. And those are some of the most beautiful moments all of life has to offer. This is something you can train. And once you begin to experience it, you'll realize how much of your life was being pulled away by things that really didn't need your attention.